The mass airflow sensor plays an important role in measuring the amount of air entering the engine. If it gets dirty, it can send incorrect readings to the engine's computer, leading to poor performance and reduced power. Learning how to spot the problem and clean the sensor can help your engine run smoothly again. Here are some ways to detect a faulty mass airflow sensor. Rough idling is when the engine shakes at a stop, often caused by a dirty or faulty MAF sensor affecting the air-fuel mix. Black exhaust smoke can be a sign of a faulty mass airflow sensor, as incorrect airflow readings can cause the engine to run rich, burning excess fuel and producing dark smoke from the exhaust. Bad fuel economy can point to a faulty MAF sensor, as inaccurate airflow readings may cause the engine to inject more fuel than needed, leading to increased consumption and reduced mileage. You can easily clean a faulty mass airflow sensor by following this method. First, turn off the engine and disconnect the battery's negative terminal to ensure safety before working on the MAF sensor. Locate the MAF sensor, which is usually positioned between the air filter box and the throttle body, then carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Spray the MAF cleaner directly onto the sensor's delicate sensing elements without scrubbing or touching the wires. Use 10 to 15 short bursts from different angles, then let the sensor air dry completely for at least 10 minutes without using compressed air or heat. Once dry, reinstall the sensor, reconnect the electrical plug, attach the battery, and start the engine. Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner is designed to safely and effectively clean MAF sensors without causing damage. It removes dirt, oil, and other contaminants that can affect sensor accuracy, helping restore proper airflow readings and engine performance. Regular use can improve fuel economy, reduce rough idling, and lower emissions. Its quick drying, residue-free formula ensures fast reinstallation, making it an easy and effective maintenance solution for keeping your MAF sensor in top condition. Cleaning a faulty MAF sensor can restore engine performance, improve fuel economy, and keep your car running smoothly.